చూడము లాస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఈ రోజు హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ రేపు హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము. చాప్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఈ వారం ఎక్కువ సిలబస్ ఉంది. లాస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ ద పేపర్ టుడే అండ్ టుమారో. ఓకే, లుక్ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ scalar triple product of vectors. Scalar triple product of vectors. That means three vectors multiplication which will result in a scalar. Which will result in a scalar. Okay. If A bar, comma, B bar, comma, C bar are three vectors, then look at A bar cross B bar dot C bar. Scalar triple product is denoted by STP. A bar cross B bar dot C bar. If you look at this, cross product of this is vector. Vector dot vector is what? This is scalar. That means multiplication of three vectors which will result in a scalar. That's why it is called scalar triple product. Comma A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Okay. This is vector dot cross product of two vectors is what? A vector. That means a vector. Vector dot vector is what? Scalar. These two are called scalar triple products. So these both are scalars. That's why multiplication of three vectors which will result in a scalar, and these two values will be equal also. If A bar, B bar, C bar are three vectors, while telling the geometrical interpretation, I will tell why they are equal. For the time being, in tomorrow's class it will come why they are equal. Okay. If you take any three vectors, this A bar cross B bar dot C bar and A bar dot B bar cross C bar, they will be equal. Suppose, for example, you look at simple example. Dot K bar. If you look at, so this is nothing but K bar dot K bar 1. Suppose if you take this one, I dot J cross K. So this is also what? I dot I, that is 1. So that means, look at here. If you look at here, A bar cross B bar. So first two vectors cross dot third vector. This will be same as first vector dot cross product of second two vectors. That means this dot and cross can be interchanged. This dot and cross can be interchanged. Look at here, in place of cross you got dot. In place of dot we got cross. That means if for three vectors, A bar cross B bar dot C bar is same as A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So these two values are equal, and these two are called scalar triple products. And these two are denoted by, both are denoted like this. This and this both are equal. Both are equal. this or this is denoted like this. This box means scalar triple product or box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is called box of A bar, B bar, C bar. If this is given, you can write as this one. If this is given A bar cross B bar dot C bar, you can write either this or A bar dot B bar cross C bar. These both are denoted like this. So if this is given, you can write this or this, anything. So these two are called scalar triple products. Scalar triple products. Look at it. Suppose box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Box of A bar, C bar, B bar, C bar. Suppose if you take this definition, if you take this definition, if you take this definition, you can write it as like this. This is one vector, this is one vector. This can also be written like this. Modulus C bar into cos of angle between them. This is nothing but this is U bar dot C bar. Modulus U bar into modulus C bar into cos of angle between them. You can write either like this, or if you write like A bar dot according to your convenience. So this is nothing but this is A bar, this is U bar. A bar dot U bar into cos of A bar comma B bar cross C bar. If you write like this, then apply dot product. This is the one. If you write like this, apply dot product. Here angle you will get angle between A bar comma B bar cross C bar. Like that, you just use dot product formula according to your requirement in the problem. Look at one application. Look at one application. If B bar equals to 2i plus j minus k comma C bar equals to I plus 3k. I plus 3k. Find maximum value of where modulus A bar equal to 1. Modulus A bar equal to 1. Now look at here, B bar is given, C bar is given. Now he is asking scalar triple product of this. So B bar, C bar, you know, means B cross C, you know. So this you can evaluate easily if you write like this. Because B cross C, you know, magnitude also you will be knowing, and modulus A bar, you know. This I will write like this. So for this problem, you can write like this. Modulus A bar into modulus of B cross C into cosine of cos of A bar comma B cross C. Now look at this is angle. So maximum you will get when this is 1. That means maximum is nothing but modulus A bar into that cosine is 1. So into 1. Maximum value you will get when that is 1. When that is 1. Therefore, maximum value is nothing but this is 1 given 1 into modulus B bar cross C bar. That means you can find what is modulus B cross C. Is nothing but I, J, K, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 3. This, so therefore I into, so this is 3 minus 0, 3. So minus J into, so minus J into 6 plus 1, 7 plus K into minus 1. That means 3I minus 7J minus K. Therefore, box of A bar C bar maximum equal to root of modulus of this 9 plus 49 plus 1. That means maximum value is nothing but root 59, maximum value. Like that here, why I have used instead of A cross B dot C means because modulus A bar you know, modulus B cross C you know, and this will be maximum when this is 1. Because this you know, I have preferred this formula. You can write A cross B dot C also, but A cross B you don't know. Okay. So like that, how to use that formula. Next, look at. Look at. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but box of B bar, C bar, A bar. This is nothing but box of C bar, A bar, B bar. That means scalar triple product of A, B, C, B, C, A and C, A, B, they will be same. Suppose look at. That means in cyclic order. A bar, B bar, C bar. That means, for example, you take box of I, J, K equal to so these three will be equal because if you calculate this one A, B, C, I cross J dot K, that means K dot K, this is 1. So look at this, you can calculate A, B, C, J cross K dot I. J cross K dot I. This is nothing but what? I dot I. This is 1. So you can calculate this K cross I dot J. Box of ABC formula. So this is nothing but J dot J. These will be equal values like that. ABC, if they are in cyclic order, box of ABC is this. Look at box of BCA. BCA, if they are in the same order consecutively, box of BCA is nothing but, if this is like this, then this is same as box ABC. Box of CAB, if this is in the cyclic order, box of CAB is also box ABC, like that in cyclic order. Look at one problem. Suppose if they are not like this in anti-clockwise direction, look at BCA anti-clockwise direction, CAB anti-clockwise direction. Suppose if they are not like this, suppose box of A bar, C bar, B bar. Suppose like this, A bar, C bar, B bar, like this, right? So C bar, B bar, A bar, clockwise direction, B bar, A bar, C bar, clockwise direction. This is nothing but minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Suppose take this one. Take this one. So this is nothing but you can write this as A bar dot. I am writing like this. Look at first vector dot cross product of two. You can write like this also. You can write A bar cross C bar dot B bar or A dot C cross B. So this C cross B can be written. This C cross B can be written minus B cross C. That means minus of minus you can write outside. This is nothing but minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So that means if they are in clockwise direction, minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar, right? So all these three will be minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Draw like this diagram. If they are in this direction, three consecutive, then box of A bar, B bar, C bar. If they are in clockwise direction, three consecutive, then minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar you have to write. Take one problem. Suppose this value you need to calculate divided by suppose this value you have to calculate. Look at here. So this is A dot B cross C means box of A bar, B bar, C bar. According to definition, this is box of A dot B cross C is box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is according to definition box of first, second, third like this. This plus. So this is box of, right in the order box of B bar, A bar, C bar divided by this according to definition this, right? So now if you look at here A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. Now look at box of A bar, B bar, C bar divided by box of CAB is nothing but look at CAB is nothing but box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This now if you look at BAC is nothing but minus box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Look at BAC clockwise direction. This so box of CAB is nothing but box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So 1 minus 1. That means this is what? 0. This is what? 0. Whenever this is there, this is nothing but box of A, B, C, right? First vector, second vector, third vector in the product, in the box. So this is what? C bar, A bar, B bar, right? In the order, first, second, third. So this is BAC. This is CAB. This only we will represent in this form. This is symbol, right? So in the cyclic order, you see the diagram. So answer will be 0. Look at next problem. For non-zero vectors, A bar, B bar, C bar, modulus A bar cross B bar dot C bar equals to, given like this, modulus A bar, modulus B bar, modulus C bar. Modulus C bar holds is asking the question like this. Holds if and only if A bar dot B bar equal to 0, B bar dot C bar equal to 0, B. Suppose he is asking a question like this. Okay, modulus of this vector equal to that. Now, this is U bar dot C bar. Write the dot product definition. That is nothing but modulus A bar cross B bar into modulus C bar. So, modulus cos of angle between them. Cos of angle between them. This is the definition of dot product I have written. Modulus A bar into modulus B bar, as modulus is there for the angle, write modulus. This equal to this is given. This is given. Now this can be written like this. Look at modulus A bar into, this is modulus of cross product, sine of A bar cross B bar into modulus C bar this. So equal to, this is the one, modulus A bar into modulus B bar into modulus C bar. This modulus A bar, modulus B bar, modulus C bar will get cancelled. So therefore, sine of A bar cross B bar into, so modulus cos of A bar cross B bar comma C bar equal to 1. Equal to 1. Now look at sine alpha. This is, let us say, sine alpha into modulus cos beta equal to 1. So let us say this is alpha, this is beta. Now sine alpha into modulus cos beta equal to 1. Now this into this must be 1. Therefore what can you say? Sine alpha equal to 1. Sine alpha equal to 1. Cos modulus cos beta equal to 1. Modulus, because maximum value of this is 1, maximum value of this is 1. So therefore both must be 1. Both must be 1 means alpha is 90 degree. Alpha is 90 degree. And here you need cos beta equal plus or minus 1. That means beta is 0 degree or 180 degree. 0 degree or 180 degree. Alpha is 90 degree. If you take the cases, first case, let us say alpha equal 90 degree. Alpha means what? What you have taken? A bar comma B bar, not cross. The angle between A bar comma B bar is 90 degree. That means A bar perpendicular to B bar. If alpha is 90 degree, A bar will be perpendicular to B bar. So second case, so beta is 0 degree or 180 degree. If you take this one, what is that? Beta we have taken A bar cross B bar, comma C bar is 0 or 180 degree. So angle between this vector and this vector is 0 or 180 means A bar cross B bar will be parallel to C bar. Look at that. So A bar cross B bar, suppose A cross B. A cross B, let us say like this. Then C bar will be, if it is in this direction, then angle 0 will be there. Right? The angle between two vectors 0 or 180 means what? These two vectors will be collinear. C bar can be in that direction or C bar can be in this direction. That means A cross B will be collinear with C bar. That means for A bar B bar vectors, how it will be? Suppose let us say A bar B bar. That means C bar direction will be in this direction. That means any vector in the direction of A cross B, any vector collinear with A cross B will be perpendicular to both A bar and both. That means C bar will be perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. That means C bar perpendicular to A bar, comma C bar perpendicular to B bar. Okay, A cross B C bar parallel means, so A cross B C bar can be like this or C bar can be like this. That means along the normal C bar will be, that means that will be perpendicular to the plane. Any vector collinear with A cross B will be perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. That means this vector C bar will be perpendicular to A bar, perpendicular to B bar. That means C dot A equal to 0, C dot B equal to 0. Here what you will get? A dot B equal to 0. That means condition is A dot B, B dot C equal to C dot A equal to 0. Those three are pairwise perpendicular vectors. Pairwise perpendicular vectors. Whenever between A cross B and C, this vector is 0 or 180, they will be collinear. So C bar is collinear with A cross B. Any vector collinear with A cross B will be perpendicular to both these vectors. Perpendicular to A bar, perpendicular to B bar. So therefore those three are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. So whenever this condition is given, you remember A dot B equal to B dot C equal to C dot A. You can ask the problem in different manner. Okay. Suppose that condition is given, and given that in the same problem, suppose it is asked like this. If modulus A bar equal to 1, modulus B bar equal to 2, modulus C bar equal to 3, equal to dash. Suppose he can ask like this. Now you can calculate, this is root of modulus A bar square 1, modulus B bar square 1, modulus C bar square 9 plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is what? 0. That means this value is what? Root 14. First you have to evaluate this condition. That means they will be perpendicular vectors. Then you can calculate this one. Like that. Look at next property. Next property. Suppose in the scalar triple product, three vectors will be there. If any two vectors are equal, scalar triple product will be 0. This. So any two vectors are equal, scalar triple product will be 0. Suppose take this one. What is the definition? A bar, B bar, C bar. So this is A bar cross B bar dot C bar. This is the definition. First two vectors cross dot third vector. That means this is what? This is 0 bar dot 0. That means 0. That means if in the box, if any two vectors are identical, then scalar triple product will be 0. Next property. Suppose if in the scalar triple product K1 A bar, K2 B bar, K3 C bar, it is like this. Then you can scalar multiples are there. You can write the constants outside. You can write the constants outside. Suppose take an example. 2A bar B bar 3C bar. It is like this. What is the definition? I am writing this vector dot B bar cross. I am writing second definition. First vector dot cross product of two vectors. Now this is cross product. You can write the scalar outside. Therefore 2 into 3 into A bar dot B bar dot C bar. That means this is what 6 into. According to definition, this is what? Box of A bar, B bar, C bar. Like that, constants are there. You write 2 into 3, 6. 6 into box ABC. Box ABC. Suppose look at next one. Let let suppose three vectors are there. A bar equals to A1I, A1I plus A. One vector is there. Like in terms of IJK, it is expressed. In terms of IJK, it is expressed. Suppose in terms of IJK express this. So therefore, scalar triple product is nothing but scalar triple product. It is nothing but determinant first vector first row. It is scalar a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3. Just if you want to do like this. This is nothing but you calculate this one. You can calculate this one or you can calculate this one. If three vectors are known, here variables are there. If three vectors are known, you can calculate this value, dot that vector, you will get one value. That value, whatever you will get is, that is determinant. Right? Suppose take one example. I plus j, j plus k plus I. Like this it is there. I plus j plus k plus I. Take this as A bar, this as B bar, C bar. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but first vector. First vector is what? 1, 1, 0. First row. Second vector 0, 1, 1. So third vector 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. This determinant is nothing but this one. Scalar triple product is a scalar. The scalar is nothing but this. So 1 into 1 minus 0, 1. So minus 1 into 0 minus 1. That means this is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 2. You calculate like this, A cross B. A cross B you can calculate dot with this, you will get this value only. So this you can write like this, or you can write like this also. First vector in first column, you can write anything. Second vector in second column. Third vector in third column. Anything is correct only. You write row wise or column wise. Same value you will get for the determinant. Same value you will get for the determinant. Either like this or like this. Anything. Look at suppose. Here A bar is linear combination of ijk. Suppose in some cases A bar will be given like this. Look at A1 A bar plus A2 B bar plus A3 C bar. B bar will be given like this. B3 C bar equals to, instead of ijk, here in place of ijk, what are they? A bar, B bar, C bar. That means all the vectors are expressed in terms of where A bar, B bar, C bar are three non-coplanar vectors. In the question he will give, these are expressed in the question immediately he will give, where A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors. That means instead of expressing in ijk set, he has expressed in terms of some other three non-collinear vectors, non-coplanar vectors. That means if it is expressed like this, then look at box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but same determinant you write. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Same must be written, but box of A bar, B bar, C bar into, if other than ijk, if any vectors are given, you write into scalar triple product of this, right? So if A is I, B is J, C is K, then this is box of ijk, that will become 1. That's why here we won't write into box ijk, you must write, but that is what box of ijk is 1. So if any three vectors are there, just box of scalar triple product of this is nothing but determinant into box of scalar triple product of the vectors in which A bar, B bar, C bar are expressed. You have to write that one. Suppose take an example. Box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar. Suppose you want to calculate the scalar triple product of this one. So now this is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. What is scalar triple product? Determinant of, look at here, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1 into, you must not forget to write this one, because These are non-coplanar vectors where A bar, B bar, C bar, or in the question he will give non-coplanar vectors. That means A bar is expressed in this, B bar is expressed in A bar, B bar, C bar is expressed in A bar, B bar, C bar. In that case, into box A, B, C. So this value, if you calculate, you will get 2. So this formula you remember. Box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. Whenever you will get, you write the formula 2 into box of A, B, C. 2 into box of A, B, C. In the similar way, this you will get 0. A bar minus B bar, B bar minus C bar, C bar minus A bar is nothing but 0. Is nothing but 0. These two, whenever you will get, substitute those directly. Okay, next point. If three vectors are there, if A bar, B bar, C bar forms right-handed system of vectors. Right-handed system of vectors. Then greater than 0. You remember this one. While telling the geometrical interpretation, I will tell what is right-handed system of vectors. For the time being, if this is positive, then these vectors are called right-handed system of vectors. I will explain while telling the geometrical interpretation. Left-handed system of vectors. That means if you find this determinant, if the determinant is positive, you will get, then they are said to be right-handed system of vectors. Left-handed system of vectors, then if this determinant, whatever you are calculating, if that is negative, then they are called left-handed system of vectors. Left-handed system of vectors. So positive means they are called, those three vectors are called right-handed system of vectors. If negative, then they are called left-handed system of vectors. Suppose take one example. Take one example. Suppose these three vectors, you have to check whether they are left-handed system or right-handed system. So that means box of IJ ABC is nothing but 1, 1, 1. Determinant only. So 1, 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. That means what you will get, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. So minus 1 into, so minus 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 4. That means you will get 3 plus 1 minus 4. Wait. 0 you are getting. Here take 3 care. 3k. 3k. Calculate. So 1 into, if 0 what happens I will tell later on. So 1 into, so 6 plus 1 7. So minus 1 into 3 minus 2 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So this is, so 7 minus 6. So 1 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means how they will be? Forms right-handed system, RHS. That means right-handed system of vectors. Right-handed system of vectors. Positive means right-handed system of vectors. Negative means left-handed system of vectors. Suppose take look at the problems how they. If A bar dot B bar equals to A bar dot C bar equal to 0, comma modulus A bar equal to 1 given, modulus B bar equal to 2 given, modulus C bar equal to 3 given, and B bar comma C bar angle is 30° given. Find the value of find the value of 2A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot B bar minus C bar cross. So this you have to calculate. This you have to calculate. Now look at. So now this you have to identify. This is scalar triple product. Now take this as A bar, take this as A bar dot. This vector as inside one is B bar cross capital C bar. So this given one is of the form A bar dot B bar cross C bar. According to our definition, box of A bar, B bar, C bar. That means box of 2A bar plus B bar plus C bar, comma B bar minus C bar, comma A bar minus B bar plus C bar. So this is according to definition. A dot B cross C is nothing but box of A, B, C. That means box is nothing but 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 into what you have to write, in which it is expressed, each and every vector is expressed in terms of A, B, C. That must not be forgotten. So A bar, B bar, C bar. That means calculate this determinant 2 into. I am calculating the determinant 2 into. So 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 into. So 0 plus 1 1 plus 1 into my 0 minus 1. So minus 1 into this. So what you will get here, minus 1 minus 1. That means minus 2 into box of 2 into not only 0. Right? So minus 2 into box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the one. So that means for calculating this one, we need box of A bar, B bar, C bar. We need box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So look at that we will calculate now. Box of A bar, B bar, C bar is nothing but look at here one information is given. A bar dot B bar equal to 0. That means A bar perpendicular to B bar. A bar perpendicular to C bar. Look at A bar perpendicular to both vectors. A bar perpendicular to both vectors. A bar perpendicular to both vectors means A bar parallel to B cross C. If a vector is perpendicular to both, look at, it will be in this direction, normal direction. So along the normal means in this direction B cross C will be there. Right? A bar will be either in this direction or A bar will be either in this direction. Whenever a vector is perpendicular to both vectors, A bar will be collinear with B cross C. Therefore, what is the angle between A bar comma B cross C? It can be 0. Collinear vectors means 0 or 180 degree. This we will come across number of times. If a vector is perpendicular to two vectors, that vector will be parallel to cross product of two vectors. If it is parallel means angle between this vector and this vector will be 0 degree or 180 degree. See, if they have same direction 0 degree, if they have opposite direction 180 degree. So therefore that angle also you got. Angle between A bar and B cross C you got. Now look at, you calculate this one. That means I am writing the definition A dot B cross C. Why I have preferred the definition this is because angle between this and this you know. This and this you know. That means this can be written as A bar dot B bar. Use that rule. Into cos of A bar comma B bar cross C bar. That is the definition of dot product. Dot product. What is this? What is this given? Modulus A bar is 1 given and A cross B definition if you write modulus B bar into modulus C bar into sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree into cos of 0 degree or 180 degree. 0 degree or 180 degree. That means you will get, so 2 into 3 into 1 by 2 into, this is plus or minus 1. So this is what? Plus or minus 1. 2 cancel. Plus or minus 3. Box ABC what you got? Plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3 you got. So therefore, required answer is what? What you want is minus 2 into, what he is asking is this one we have calculated now, this. So that means minus 2 into plus or minus 3. That means plus or minus 6. Plus or minus 6. That is the answer. So whenever like this is given, this indication is to calculate box of ABC. You write perpendicular to both. So therefore A bar parallel to B cross C. That means angle between them is what? 0 or 180. You use the definition accordingly because this angle you know. You can write this also definition. When you will write, if you know angle between A cross B and C, we will use this rule. Because you know angle between A bar and B cross C, it is better to use this rule. Because angle between B and C given and this you know. So if you write, everything will be known. So look at next problem. Let A bar, B bar, C bar forms left-handed system. left-handed system. They are forming left-handed system of vectors. Left-handed system of vectors. Given that b bar dot a bar equal to c bar dot a bar equal to 0, comma modulus a bar equal to 1, modulus b bar equal to 2, modulus c bar equal to 4. Angle between a bar comma b bar is 60 degree. Angle between a bar comma b bar is 60 degree. Find value of 2a bar cross a bar plus dot 3a bar. Suppose you have to calculate this value. Now look at, from the given information, let us calculate what is box ABC. So therefore, it is clear that a bar perpendicular to b bar comma c bar. A bar perpendicular to b bar comma c bar. Therefore, a bar parallel to b bar cross c bar. A bar parallel to b bar, here c bar. Here c bar. B dot c equal to c dot a. B dot c equal to c dot a equal to 0. C bar perpendicular to both a bar b bar. C bar is perpendicular to both a bar b bar. C bar collinear with parallel means collinear. This, so therefore angle between, if they are collinear, angle is what? 0 degree or pi. 0 degree or pi. So now use the definition. This. So use the definition this. Now you know angle between C bar and A cross B. I am writing like this. I am writing A cross B dot C. Because I know the angle between A cross B and C. That means modulus A cross B into modulus C bar into cos of A cross B comma C bar. This. So now you can write this one cross product. So modulus A bar 1 into modulus B bar 2 into sine 60 into cos 0 or pi. That means 2 into root 3 by 2 into, so this is plus or minus 1. That means what you are getting, plus or minus. So modulus C bar is 4 given. Modulus C bar is 4 given. Modulus C bar is 4 into plus or minus 1. So that means you will get plus or minus 4 root 3. Plus or minus 4 root 3. Now if you look at, don't take two values. What is given? Given in the question that forms left-handed system implies you must take only negative quantity. Left-handed system is what? Negative quantity. In the previous case, nothing given. That's why two cases taken. So now it is given that they are forming left-handed system. That means box ABC negative quantity. Negative quantity. So therefore box ABC value you got. So now required one is nothing but required one, let us say this is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. That means given one is nothing but A bar cross B bar dot C bar. That means that is nothing but box of A bar, B bar, C bar. This is A bar, this is B bar, this is C bar. Therefore, What is that value? 2 minus 1 1 first vector, and second vector b bar minus 1. So this is 3 minus 1 2 into box of a bar, b bar, c bar. So you can calculate this value easily. That means this is 2 into 2 into, so 4 minus 1 3. So minus of minus plus 1 into, so 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 into, so minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 into box ABC is what? Minus 4 root 3. So minus 4 root 3. 2 minus 1 1. So what you will get? 5 5 cancel. Okay. So 6 into wait, wait, wait. Minus 7 minus 7. So that means 4 into minus 4 root 3. That means what is the answer? Minus 16 root 3. Minus 16 root 3. అట్లా మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనకి, సో మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బట్టి బాక్స్ ఏబిసి కనుక్కోవాలి. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 4 root 3. Given that left-handed system, so negative quantity you take, and then this is nothing but standard one, determinant into box ABC. This value you got like that. So A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C. If both are there, what does that mean? Box of ABC. Look at next problem. Let A bar equals to like this given. A1I plus A3K, B bar equals to B1I plus B2J plus B3K, C bar equals to C1I plus C2J plus C3K. C3K. Given that C bar is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar comma B bar, perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. If A bar comma B bar equal to pi by 6, then whole square equals to This fourth option. Look at this. So look at this. So this is the one, right? So now look at here. So this given one, you can easily say what is that? You can easily say this determinant is nothing but box of A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. This given determinant is what? This is nothing but determinant is box ABC because IJK is there. Box ABC whole square. That value is which one he is asking. So now look at, we will calculate what is box ABC first. So given that C bar is perpendicular to A bar comma B bar. C bar is perpendicular to A bar comma B bar directly given. So therefore C bar parallel to A cross B. Angle between C bar comma A bar is 0 or pi. 0 or pi. Now box ABC. Box ABC is nothing but I am writing this as A bar cross B bar dot C bar. Box of ABC is nothing but A bar cross B bar dot C bar. That means this is nothing but I am writing this as modulus of A bar cross B bar modulus C bar into cos of A cross B comma C. So now if you look at angle between A bar and B bar is given. This is modulus A bar into modulus B bar into sin 30 into modulus C bar is 1 and this is what 0 or 180 means plus or minus 1 plus or minus 1 that means this is plus or minus 1 by modulus A bar into divided by 2. So that means box ABC you got plus or minus modulus A bar into modulus B bar divided by 2. That means this is nothing but whole square. That means this is nothing but 1 by 4 modulus A square modulus B square. That means 1 by 4 into modulus A square means what? Into. So modulus B bar is nothing but square. Root will cancel. B3 square. This is the answer. Like that. Just whenever perpendicular to two vectors, then first step is to calculate box ABC and then whatever he is asking is this whole square. This if you know you can calculate easily.